It's 6:05 p.m. You're still at your desk. The showroom closed over an hour ago. Your team left. You have not left. You're not exactly working. You have a dozen browser tabs open. There's an email you started this morning. It's minimized at the bottom of the screen, just waiting to be finished. A text you've read 3 times and haven't answered. A sticky note with something written on it from last week that you can no longer fully decipher. You know you should go. You have somewhere to be. But every time you try to stand up, something else surfaces. Did you confirm the Garcia's install date? What was that thing with the vendor that you were going to go follow up on? You had a thought in the car this morning, and what was it? So you sit there. Welcome to the Elevated Podcast. I'm your host, Brandy Lawson. This is the hard stop. When you're not working but can't seem to leave your desk, the reason isn't uncertainty. It's that your brain doesn't trust the system to hold what's open. There's no place where the unfinished things live, no reliable list, no captured context, so your brain is holding all of them at once on an internal loop, because if it stops, something is going to get dropped. You're not stuck because you're inefficient. You're stuck because you're asking your brain to do a job that a system should be doing. The fix is the end of the day brain dump. Before you leave, even when you're depleted, even when it's late, you pick up your phone and record for 3 minutes. You say out loud every single open loop, everything unfinished, everything you're worried about, everything you don't want to forget. You don't organize it, you don't prioritize it, you don't even have to write it down. You just get it out of your head and onto the recording. Then you take the transcript to your AI tool of choice, Claude, Chat, Gemini, Copilot, doesn't matter, and say, turn this into a prioritized to-do list for tomorrow morning, grouped by urgency. 2, maybe 3 minutes, you read the list, your brain confirms. It's there, it's captured. Someone else is holding it now. And then you go. Not because the work is done, the work is never done, and anyone who runs a business knows that, but because the work is documented. The open loops have a home that isn't your head. Your brain doesn't need to run the loop anymore because the loop is on the list, and the list will be there in the morning when you have a better chance of having the energy and now brain space to act on it. When you do the brain dump every day, the list doesn't just help you leave. The habit compounds and becomes an accurate record of what's weighing on you. Patterns begin to shape. Certain clients, certain vendors, certain types of decisions keep coming up. That is useful information, but it starts with permission to stop carrying it in your brain. The AI note-taking guide has the end-of-the-day workflow, including the brain dump recording and the prompts that turn it into a to-do list that lets you leave and start confidently tomorrow. Get it at cabinetnotes.com. We've spent 7 episodes inside the systems that run a high-functioning design business. Next week, we move to where the work changes. We'll talk about what that means and what becomes possible when the systems are finally working for you instead of the other way around. Hit subscribe.